Great Tastes of America, featuring fine Kraft products, Kraft Real Mayonnaise, Kraft 100% grated Parmesan cheese, Kraft Macaroni and Cheese Dinner. For good food and good food ideas, come home to the Great Tastes of America with Kraft.
Come home to excitement, entertaining, and East Coast cooking. Come home to the great tastes of America with Kraft.
Great tasting East Coast recipes begin with Kraft.
My folks love these Liberty Bell steak sandwiches.
Just fill French rolls with sautéed roast beef and onions. Then heat Cheese Whiz pasteurized processed cheese spread for a topping. It's a delicious blend of real cheeses and other fine ingredients.
Here's a side dish I make in a snap, Manhattan vegetable sauté.
Just sauté tomatoes, onions, and green peppers. Casino brand mozzarella cheese tops the vegetables for a mild cheese taste. Broil and serve.
I put tangy New England taste into my salad with crisp apples.
Kraft Real Mayonnaise makes it delicious. Nothing tastes creamier. Combined with cabbage, nuts, celery, raisins, and apples. Serve in a bowl lined with cabbage leaves.
My chocolate chip cheesecake is ready to bake in only 15 minutes.
Make it rich, creamy, and sinfully delicious with Philadelphia brand cream cheese. The recipe's on the package. Add chocolate chips, fill an easy crumb crust, and bake. These Kraft regional American recipes are in tonight's listing section of TV Guide magazine and in recipe folders in many stores.
Come back east, come home to the great tastes of America with Kraft.
Come home to memories and Midwest cooking. Come on home to the great taste of America with Kraft.
Great tasting Midwestern recipes begin with Kraft.
This is the kids' first day home from college, so I'm making everyone's favorite dishes. My boys just love this fluffy Mackinac Island omelet.
Velveeta slices make a delicious filling. They're so quick melting and convenient. Bake the omelet, then fill and bake again. Serve with hot split Lender's bagels and warm Kraft strawberry preserves.
Come lunchtime, we serve this country mustard mold with everything, from sandwich fixins to vegetables.
Miracle Whip salad dressing gives it a tangy zip. Mixed with mustard, horseradish, gelatin, and whipped cream. Chill, unmold, and serve.
This Heartland casserole is my baby's favorite dinner.
Start with Kraft Macaroni and Cheese Dinner. It's so easy and cheesy. Spoon over a mixture of ground beef and Kraft barbecue sauce. Bake and garnish.
There's nothing the kids like more than homemade Chicago deep dish pizza.
Kraft 100% grated Parmesan cheese adds genuine Italian taste. Stir into a savory sausage and tomato sauce. Top the crust with layers of Kraft mozzarella and the sauce, then bake. You can find these Kraft recipes in tonight's listing section of TV Guide magazine.
Come to the Midwest, come home to the great taste of America with Kraft. Come on south, come home to the great taste of America with Kraft.
Great tasting Southern recipes begin with Kraft.
I make cornbread the old-time way in a skillet for a crispy crust.
Parquet jumbo spread makes the batter moist and buttery tasting. Top with pepper slices and bake till golden.
Fresh oranges give southern flavor to my favorite salad.
And Kraft zesty Italian dressing adds sparkle to the fruit and vegetable marinade. Arrange ingredients on spinach and sprinkle with pecans.
I make this Dixie banana cream twice as tasty because I use Kraft miniature marshmallows too.
Melt them in vanilla pudding and pour over vanilla wafers and bananas. Brown more marshmallows for a simple meringue-like topping. These Kraft recipes are in tonight's listing section of TV Guide magazine.
Come on south, come home to the great taste of America with Kraft.
Where would you go to taste great American food? Kraft will take you there. Enter the Kraft Great Tastes of America sweepstakes. Vote for your favorite Kraft regional dish. You may win one of 6 fabulous vacations. Entry forms at participating grocers and in current magazines with valuable Kraft coupons. Taste America's best with Kraft. Enter the Kraft Great Tastes of America sweepstakes.
Saturday on Airwolf.
This is a hijacking.
A skyjacked plane is hidden on the ocean floor. Will Hawk and Santini find it in time?
Where the devil could it be?
And on Cover Up, a killer stalks a beauty pageant.
Do you think one of those sweet, innocent young things would be willing to murder for the title?
Can Danny and Jack protect the most beautiful woman in the world?
Watch out!
Saturday.
On Saturdays.
Boy, this sure is fun.
And join an old fun.
Far out!
With Jim Henson Muppet Babies.
Come home to wonderful weather, warm welcomes and West Coast cooking. Come on home to the great taste of America with Kraft.
Great tasting West Coast recipes begin with Kraft.
For us, casual food's a natural way to go, like this San Diego salad. It's the main dish.
Start with light and lively slices, the easy way to add full cheese flavor with half the fat. Arrange on greens with chicken, tomato, and avocado. Top with sprouts and bacon.
We like these fruit-filled oatmeal bars for a simple snack.
All their real fruit taste comes from Kraft strawberry preserves. Layer with a mixture of oatmeal, nuts, and brown sugar. Bake and serve with soothing celestial seasonings herb tea.
For a new twist in casseroles, I start with salmon in my Pacific Coast bake.
It's deliciously different with J.L. Kraft Select Sharp Cheddar Cheese, the fresh and natural cheddar. Layer with a mixture of canned salmon, rice, and vegetables. Bake and top with more cheese.
We love this new way to serve fresh fruit.
La Creme whipped topping with real cream makes this fruit medley so smooth and delicious, and the recipe's on the lid. Mix with sour cream and fresh fruit, spoon over cantaloupe. These Kraft recipes are in tonight's listing section of TV Guide magazine and in free recipe folders in many stores.
Come out west, come home to the great taste of America with Kraft.
The Magic of David Copperfield has been sponsored by Kraft. We're pleased to have sponsored tonight's program and the Kraft Great Tastes of America, featuring Philadelphia brand cream cheese, Velveeta slices pasteurized processed cheese spread, Kraft zesty Italian dressing. For good food and good food ideas, come home to the great tastes of America with Kraft. I'm Ed Hurley. Join us next time we sponsor something special